Champions, how are you? So there's another question, and the question says that an object of mass m is sliding down a ramp at a constant speed. During the motion, it travels a distance x along the ramp and falls to a vertical distance h. The coefficient of dynamic friction given to us ramp and object is mu. So there is a friction mu, and the object is m. What is the total energy transferred into the thermal energy when the object travels distance x? So in this question you have to see some important things that are given. It is at constant speed. It means that when the velocity is constant, the acceleration is zero, and when acceleration is zero, that force equals to m into a is also zero. So there is no net force acting downwards. The only force is of frictional force that would be acting backwards, and this will be the mg, and this will be the normal, and this will be the frictional force. But in this question you don't need all of these forces to be calculated. We just need another formula that we have done, that change in that work is equals to the change in kinetic energy, and negative of potential energy is the work done, and this work done is the energy that will be given to the atmosphere. Okay, so now we will calculate at this level. This is one level and this is two level. At one level the potential energy is mgh, and h is given to us, and at level 2 the potential energy is 0. So, and the kinetic energy is same, that is half mv square half mv square, so it doesn't matter whether we write or not. So the change in energy is mgh. So this energy is the energy that has been transferred as a thermal energy. Okay, so your answer will be mgh, that is the first option. So A is the right answer. So thank you for watching this video. If you have some doubts, you can definitely put it into the comment section. Thank you.